Ladies and gentlemen, this is Azan Ares Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2008 Toyota Corolla South Africa model. So we are going to test drive. I'm currently on the highway now. The speedometer is reading, so we are going to see how it will behave. So we are on the highway now. So let's go. I think the last job they said they did on it, they discovered that the ABS speed sensor for the two front, you can see now. You can see the way it slipped now. The ABS sensor for the two fronts, the front left and front light was fixed. That was the last job that was done. So I just wanted to see the symptoms before I will begin to scan the car and that's picked back again. Okay. I don't know if you'll be able to catch the way it revved up. So let's try and see. Okay.
Before that 60 is screeching.
Okay. Try and accelerate fast. Let's see. You can hear? You can see? Look at the rev. You can see the rev. Look at it. It's here to select. You can see? Now it's just selected. You can see. Okay. So I think we are okay. So we'll try. Let's try and back and diagnose and see what the problem is. So we are. Let us try and see what you can. Automatic selection. Let's try and read the VIN. Others. South Africa, 2010 to 2014 models. We are not using a multi-mode system. This is a regular automatic transmission and does not use smart key, so that's smart key. To do diagnosis, we are doing an auto scan now. Let's see what we have. VCU will have 2 faults. Scanning is quite fast. So let's see. So let's see. So we can see a P0500 vehicle speed sensor, current history. Then we can see the right front speed sensor. Sorry. The right front speed sensor and the left front speed sensor, both of them are open. Here you have the airbag faults. You have the air conditioner. So the EMPS here, you also see this loss communication, though both of them are history. So what we would do, let me just confirm that the speed sensor are actually faulty. So these are all the speed sensors. We are getting the engine rev, vehicle speed. So we'll just check those and see. Let's check those and see first of all. So we are just going to drive and see whether we are getting values from here. Just drive down to that side. We are going to drive down and see whether we'll get values. Slowly, slowly, please. Maybe we should go to this side and it's smoother. As you can see, the sensor that is not giving out any value is the front left. This front left sensor is not giving out any value. All the other sensors are giving out value, the front left is not giving out value. And we're not, okay, the speed sensor is also giving out a value. Okay. So, you can see the speed sensor is giving out a value. You can see that front left sensor is still 0. It's not giving out a value. So we are certain that the front left sensor needs to be worked on. First of all, sir, even turn the steering. You can turn the steering out. I don't know if you can see. You can see that the wire for the speed sensor is damaged. You can see the wire. They are damaged. I don't know. It's broken. I don't know how come. So we are going to look for somewhere to fix it. So we have removed the tires. As you can see, I don't know how come it's damaged. So I will try to connect it back. So I have connected them back together and secured it very well. So what I'll do, I will put on the ignition and see if the ABS light will go off. That's the ABS light. It has gone off now. So everything should be okay. So we're going to fix back the tire. Now we're going to test drive. So from what you can see, the engine speed is leaving out very good. So let us see the shift status now. We are in first jar. Just gone to the station to get fuel. So test drive. Still on first jar. Now second jar. Second jar now. We are on the second jar. Third jar. Fourth jar. Still wine. That's wine. Okay. You know what? So let's stop again. Now the legs.
I have to fix
Our legs. Just enter the filling station, park lifting. Enter the just park on the side. Just beg them. Okay. Now it selects very well, but when it gets to the fourth jar, there's a little bit of rev before it does. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to clear all the fault codes. I've not done that, so how good is your battery?
It's good.
Okay, so I'm erasing all the fault code. So I've erased all the fault code. So we only have two at the engine. No, sorry, not even the engine. The engine is off, the ABS is off. So we only have two fault codes each on the airbag and the ABS. Sorry for the poor, the glare. You can see. So we are going to test drive again and see that fourth shift. Let us test drive again. After doing another scan, let me do the scan again. I discover that it's off. Oh, okay, sorry. I have to cancel this scan. So after doing another scan, there's no fault in the engine. No fault has come out yet. So let me go and do transmission reset. Let me reset the memory so the car can learn. So I turn the ignition off. Yeah, turn it on. So let's test drive. First of all, just drive gently. Where is the speedometer? Okay. Now we are driving and the car is selecting well. Though I recommend you should go and change the jar oil, the transmission oil. This is the first time he's getting up to this speed. Ever since he had that fault, he has not gotten up to this speed. The ABS light has not come up. Has selected it. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.